INS Vikrant, also known as Indigenous Aircraft Carrier 1, is an aircraft carrier under construction by Cochin Shipyard in Kerala for the Indian Navy. It is the first aircraft carrier to be built in India. The ship is expected to start sea trials in 2020 and enter into service in 2021. INS Vishal, also known as Indigenous Aircraft Carrier 2, is a planned aircraft carrier to be built by Cochin Shipyard Limited for the Indian Navy. It will be the first super carrier to be built in India. The carrier is expected to enter service by 2030. The Future Ready Combat Vehicle will be a new generation state-of-the-art modular combat vehicle platform. It may enter service in the 2025 to 2027 timeframe. The FRCV would be developed instead of the DRDO proposed Future Main Battle Tank. Anti-submarine warfare, shallow watercraft, and next-generation missile vessels are anti-submarine warfare stealth corvettes ordered for the Indian Navy. The anti-submarine vessels are deployed to tackle and destroy underwater threats and also undertake low-intensity maritime operations. Aura is an autonomous, stealthy unmanned combat air vehicle being developed by the DRDO for the Indian Air Force. Details of the project are classified. It can be easily deployed in deep penetration strike, suppression of enemy air defense, strategic reconnaissance, and electronic warfare. Rafale is a twin-jet fighter aircraft able to operate from both an aircraft carrier and land. India has ordered 36 planes from Dassault Aviation as a part of modernization program of the Air Force. India will get all 36 aircraft by 2022. Admiral Grigorovich class is the latest class of guided missile stealth frigates ordered by the Indian Navy. It can engage enemy warships, submarines, air and land targets. India has signed contracts to purchase 4 Admiral Grigorovich class frigates from Russia. Tejas Mk2 is an Indian multi-role medium-weight fighter, an upgraded version of Tejas Mk1. It is designed for high maneuverability. It will be suitable for most of the missions like air raid, beyond visual range combat, close air support, ground attack, etc. S-400 or SA-21 Growler is a long-range, 4th generation, highly advanced air and missile defense system developed by Russia. It can engage targets at a distance of 400 km and at an altitude of up to 30 km. It is designed to destroy aircraft, cruise missile, ballistic missiles, and surface targets. Nirbhay is a long-range, all-weather subsonic cruise missile designed and developed in India. It is currently under development and undergoing flight trials. The missile can be launched from multiple platforms and is capable of carrying conventional and nuclear warheads. BrahMos 2 is a hypersonic cruise missile currently under development. It is expected to have a range of 450 km and a speed of Mach 7. It will be the fastest cruise missile in the world and expected to be ready for testing by 2020. The Surya missile is an intercontinental ballistic missile speculated to be in development by India. The entire program continues to remain highly secretive. It will carry a massive 3-ton multiple warhead with a range between 12,000 to 16,000 km. Each warhead can strike different targets. The SIG 716G2 is a medium-range gas-operated precision rifle chambered for the more powerful 7.62 round. It is the latest and greatest designated marksman rifle designed for SWAT teams, military personnel, and special forces. Quick Reaction Surface-to-Air Missile is a missile developed by the DRDO in association with Bharat Electronic Limited and Bharat Dynamic Limited for the Indian Navy. The missile can be mounted on a truck. It can also deceive enemy radar, making it difficult to be detected. Agni 6 is a ICBM reported to be in early stages of development by India. It is to be the latest and most advanced version among the Agni missile program. It will be capable of being launched from submarines as well as from land and will have a strike range of 8,000 to 10,000 km with MIRV warheads. AK-203 is reported as the latest and most advanced version of the famous AK series of rifles. It can fire 600 bullets per minute and can be used in both automatic and semi-automatic modes. It will be manufactured in India by the Indo-Russian Rifles Private Limited, a joint venture. Anti-satellite weapons, ASAT, are space weapons designed to incapacitate or destroy satellites for a strategic military purpose. On March 27, 2019, India successfully launched first ASAT weapon. The interceptor was able to strike a test satellite at a 300 km altitude in low Earth orbit. Arjun Mark 1A is an upgraded version of the Arjun tank with better firing and mobility. The trials were completed in last December and 118 units were ordered by Indian Army. The new Arjun Mark 1A includes 14 new features, including an auto-target tracker, automatic gear system, and improvement in suspension. Barak 8, also known as Long Range SAM or Medium Range SAM, is an Indian-Israeli surface-to-air missile currently under induction phase. Both maritime and land-based variants of the system exist. The Airbus C295 is a new generation tactical airlifter in the light and medium segment. It is robust and highly reliable. In March 2019, price negotiation between India and Airbus were concluded, and a total of 62 aircraft was decided to be purchased for the Indian Air Force and Indian Coast Guard. The Kar 816 is a 5.56mm gas-operated assault rifle that is produced by Caracal International in United Arab Emirates. 94 units are ordered for Indian Army. The Advanced Towed Artillery Gun System is a towed 155mm 52 caliber howitzer that is being developed for the Indian Army by DRDO. It has advanced features like high mobility, quick deployability, auxiliary power mode, advanced communication system, automatic command and control system with night capability in direct. India is currently working on multi-project to build future submarines that is expected to boost the Navy's overall strike capabilities. Here is the list of future submarines: Project 75 I-Class, Calvary Class, Chakra 3 or Aquila Class, Indian Navy SSN program, S5 Class and Arihant Class submarine. A Mine Countermeasure Vessel MCMV is a type of naval ship designed for the search and destruction of naval mines, which combines the role of a minesweeper and mine hunter. Goa Shipyard Limited are going to build series of 12 MCMV for the Indian Army and to be delivered between 2021 and 2026. Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft is an Indian program of a 5th generation fighter aircraft. It is a single-seat, twin-engine, stealth all-weather multi-role fighter. The first flight is scheduled to occur in 2023 to 2024. However, it will enter in production only after the production of Tejas Mark II is completed. The Hull Light Combat Helicopter (LCH) is an Indian multi-role combat helicopter developed and manufactured by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It is optimized for high-altitude operations. The main role of this helicopter is anti-armor and anti-infantry operations, scouting, destruction of enemy air defense units, escorts of vehicles and helicopters. The Hull Light Utility Helicopter is a new generation single-engine light helicopter designed and under development by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. It will be able to undertake various missions, including emergency medical services, troop transport, search and rescue, aerial reconnaissance, and surveillance mission. The Indian Navy Swimming Delivery Vehicle is a planned class of midget submarine for the Indian Navy. Indian Navy will get 2 midget submarines for use as swimmer delivery vehicle. K4, K5 and K6 are nuclear-capable intermediate-range submarine-launched ballistic missile of K-series under development by DRDO of India. India has so far planned 3 missiles in the K-series, while the 3,500 km range K4 is undergoing trials. 5,000 km range K5 and 6,000 km range K6 is under development. All the K-series missiles are faster, lighter and stealthier. Kamov Ka-2260 is a powerful, light multi-role Russian helicopter that meets high safety standards, boasts incredibly precise hovering ability, excellent maneuverability, and is very easy to fly. India and Russia will jointly manufacture Kamov 226 helicopter under Make in India program to replace its aging Cheetah and Chetak helicopters. Multi-role support vessel is a type of warship. Indian Navy is looking to fulfill multiple roles, including amphibious warfare, force projection, disaster response, etc. Indian Ministry of Defence has approved for construction of 4 units for its Navy. The Nag missile is a 3rd generation fire and forget anti-tank guided missile. It is an all-weather top attack missile with a range of 3 to 7 km. The Nag missile costs $5 lakh per unit. The DRDO chief claimed it would be inducted into the Indian Army by 2019. The General Atomics MQ-9 Reaper is an armed multi-mission, medium-altitude, long-endurance, remotely piloted aircraft. In June 2017, the US State Department approved the sale of 22 drones to India costing around 2 to 3 billion US dollar. It is likely to be used over the Indian borders with China and Pakistan. Prahar is a solid fuel, road mobile tactical ballistic missile developed by the DRDO. It has operational range of 150 km and flight altitude of 35 km. It is a quick reaction, all-weather, all-terrain, highly accurate battlefield support tactical missile with advanced maneuvering capability. Prithvi Defense Vehicle is an Indian domestically produced extra-atmospheric interceptor missile system. It is designed to destroy missile at extra-atmospheric altitudes of 50 to 150 km and be fired from a range of around 2000 km. Project 17A is an enlarged, stealthier variant of Project 17 Shivalik class frigate for the Indian Navy. It will incorporate the latest stealth features. A total of 7 ships will be built. The construction of the first ship started in 2017, and the first ship is expected to be delivered by 2022. The Reliance class fast patrol vessel are a series of 14 fast patrol vessels being built by Reliance Defence and Engineering for the Indian Coast Guard. It is designed for patrolling, anti-smuggling, anti-terrorist operations and search and rescue. Rustam II is a medium-altitude, long-endurance unmanned combat aerial vehicle designed to carry out surveillance and reconnaissance roles. It is capable of carrying different combinations of payloads, including synthetic aperture radar, electronic intelligence system, and situational awareness systems. VC-11184 is a missile tracking ocean surveillance ship being constructed by Hindustan Shipyard Limited for Indian Navy. It is going under sea trials. The purpose of this ship is to support the development of India's strategic weapons and the Indian Ballistic Missile Defense Program. It can also gather electronic intelligence. The Vishakhapatnam class or Project 15B is a class of stealth-guided missile destroyers currently under construction for the Indian Navy. It comprises 4 ships: Vishakhapatnam, Mormugao, Imphal and Porbandar. The first ship is expected to enter service in 2021. Technology Demonstration Vessel is a missile range instrumentation ship being built by Cochin Shipyard Limited for the DRDO. It would have an array of sensors and radars to track flight of long-range missiles. India is developing laser weapons or direct energy weapons. The weapon is not ready yet, and the project is still under development phase. They will be primarily used to damage or destroy enemy facilities, aircraft, anti-personnel weapon system, missiles, and many more. Indian scientists have successfully developed electromagnetic railguns that can fire projectiles at Mach 6. It will use electromagnetic force to launch high-velocity projectiles.